We're back. It's been a long time. I almost started the wrong stove. There we go. It's been a while since we've done this. I actually don't remember the last time. I think it was spaghetti like 2 weeks before Christmas. I could have had a video that could have gotten launched, but it didn't end up working out because it took up too much storage on my phone and I didn't feel like uploading it. So that went well. But we're back. We are making a tortellini. Tortellini on my knee and pepperoni on the walls. But yeah, we're cooking tortellini. I did the vote, and you guys said you wanted tortellini. And which I'm going to likely do almost every idea I did in that poll. It was more so asking for, what did you guys want to see first? Because likely what I'll start doing for these things is what I'll do is I will make a poll with just like 4 or 5 video ideas, and whatever you guys want to see next, that's what I'll make. Democracy, you know? But it'll be a nice voting system. And it'll work nicely. I mean, it worked nicely here. We got actually like a good amount of votes. And Tortellini won. Xbox 360 stuff and PS2 stuff did come in second, which they tied. But yeah, that was good. Like the PS2 video, that'll come eventually because of the fact that I'm gonna make a video on that anyways. So it's chumming. It's just depends on when I actually have the money to get the part, and it depends on if that repair ends up even being successful. Cause every time I have to repair something that I think is the right thing, it ends up being the wrong thing, and then I have to fix like 5 other things. So, woohoo, yeah. I realize that as these videos go on, these videos are really just a test of strength of how long can I ramble on no script, no forethought, just how long can Hunter ramble for like 20 minutes. That's what these videos end up being. It's literally just how long can Hunter ramble until he ends up going silent. Like that's usually what it ends up being. Especially in this one, it's Hunter yawning a crap ton because Hunter's tired. Hunter's running off for like 4 hours of sleep right now. I'm thinking about making a series on playing Gran Turismo 4 because I, PCSX2, which is like the best PS2 emulator to ever be graced upon man. It's really good. Like, it's really known for people like, making Gran Turismo 3 and 4 HD mods. I haven't been able to get those mods to work because for some reason, I don't know. Just don't exist for me. But, I've been playing through Gran Turismo 4, and it's, like, really fun. I mean, like, I've been loving it. Like, when I get my PS2 working, first thing I'm doing when I actually have some free money is saving up and buying Gran Turismo 4 for myself. But it's such a fun game. I love playing it. And especially since it's so easy to grind credits. You just get a race that gives you good credits, and you just grind B-Spec, which is pretty much director mode where you don't drive the car, but you tell the car what to do. So what you do, you just do push, overtake. Once he's in first, keep it on push. If you're pretty far away, you can just put it on fast. And you won the race. Like, literally easy claps. I guess if you're doing an endurance or a long race where tire wear is actually important, you know, pit. I haven't been playing long enough for tire wear to actually be important. That was one of the things that surprised me, is that every race has tire wear. In Gran Turismo 3, tire wear is only an occasional thing. So it was kind of weird to be like, oh wow, okay, tire wear is just a thing by default now. So yeah, that was something I saw. I was like, dang, that is kind of weird. I haven't seen that before. So that was something that was a little weird, was seeing the tire wear as just a default thing. B-Spec, I mean, I've played Gran Turismo 5 for the PS3, I used to go over to a friend's house and play Gran Turismo 5 like all the time. He never liked it though, because the main games we'd actually play would be like Modern Warfare. No, it was never Modern Warfare. It was like Black Ops 3 and Black Ops 1 and Minecraft. But yeah, I would like play Gran Turismo 5 all the time. That was fun. But like I remember B-Spec. But like I didn't know how to play that game at all. I literally just saved up some credits, bought a Camaro, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm a baller now. I have a Camaro. My life is complete. It wasn't even like a good one either. I think I bought like a used. I think it was like a used '70s Camaro. It was like it was like the Camaro, like the iconic like Camaro SS. I may have had a Mustang. I feel like I didn't put enough water in there. I feel like this water is like evaporated. I'm getting a bad feeling about this. Well, anyways, it's time to put the tortellini on the onion. Sorry, there's like a funny meme going on. It was from like an SMG4 episode or something. Let's talk about pasta. Oh, no, that's more than enough. Nice. We still need the ravioli video. I'll get that out probably next week. Because now that I can actually start making these videos a bit more constantly, because I realize that they do good for views, I'll probably make them more constantly again. It was just more so that I was trying to think of video ideas that weren't cooking videos until I kind of realized, oh wait, people like the cooking videos, so why not just do them? So I'm just gonna do that more, I guess. Hunter's tech finna turn into Hunter's cooking. So that's just kind of funny. Yeah, I just kind of find that funny that it's Hunter's Tech, but it's a variety channel. I had always wanted my channel to be variety, even when I was HunterTheKerbal, just HunterTheKerbal, straight up. I was like, oh man, I like the variety channel content. Variety stuff is hard though, because it means you have multiple different, multiple different fan bases, all watching different things. You gotta be able to somehow get that fan base all into watching everything you make instead of just one-offs. Because, you know, then it's just kind of like your reviews aren't gonna do the best. And you know you want them to do the best. I need to find my big spoon. Where's my big spoon? I mean, like, it's quite literally just a big old spoon. Maybe I'll rename this video Hunter Struggles to Find a Spoon. Found it. We got a spoon. This is an amazing moment, guys. I actually found a spoon. I don't do that very often. And then, of course, there's the iconic thumbnail shots taken with these videos. I need to think of something good. I want to think of something really good for this video. I've utilized a lot of good ones. I think I have an idea. The first two videos were just me taking freaking, like, mug shots by the stove. And then it was, like, goofy thumbnails. I think I have some good ideas for this one that I'm likely gonna do. Maybe if it snows again, I'll have to utilize the snow for a funny thumbnail. Put the bowl in the snow or some crap. That'd actually be kind of funny. Yeah, I'll have to think of that. That might have to be something that's worth considering. Especially since I want videos that actually do good. I mean, the Christmas video the Christmas video ended up doing really good. But what always happens is I can't follow it up with a good video and it is bad. Sorry. I'm dying. But I just need to keep it up with some good videos, and the cooking videos generally do pretty good, so. And especially since I haven't done one in a while, I'm hoping this video ends up doing pretty good. So, I guess I'll just have to see. This might be where the silence starts. This might be where the... Oh, we crossed the 10-minute mark. Ain't that something? I think this is going to be my mandatory part where I ask you guys to subscribe. It's like actually been cooking. My streams, I don't know why. My videos and streams have been cooking the past 2 weeks. Like, I've actually been getting constant subs. Like, let's go. This is big dubs. If I want to reach my goal of 400 subs, this is the way to do it. But yeah. You guys will likely be seeing this video on Tuesday. I'm likely going to premiere this on Tuesday. I'm recording this on Monday, but usually I don't record these, because usually I'll have them released at 5 p.m., so they're convenient for when people actually eat dinner. And, you know, people are out of school. And then also, and, you know, I always release them, you know, the next day. And premiering, just because premieres are fun. Premieres get people to watch the video nicely. So that's convenient. So you guys are watching this on Tuesday. How's Tuesday going for you guys? Saying this on Monday, but I kind of want to know. How's Tuesday going? Can you at least tell me if future me had a good day? This week's been boring. I got 4 hours of sleep. Hopefully I got sleep. Hopefully, future Hunter, comment down below. Did you get sleep tonight? Or yesterday night as of the time you're watching this video? Hopefully you did. If not, I'll be disappointed with you. Or I won't be surprised at all, actually. Sounds like a Hunter thing to do, to not do absolutely like anything. Hunter, did you do your math homework yesterday? Probably didn't. You never do. Hunter, you lazy bum. I'm like sitting here realizing, oh man, is there like really nothing to watch here? It's like, yeah, literally. It's like watching paint dry, Noodles cooking. I would say you guys have straining privileges for Noodles today, but my sink is a bit dirty, so I don't really actually want to show you that. Let me get... I actually have some stuff to put over here real quick. It's just a couple pans and crap. Maybe I'll give you guys straining privileges in the ravioli video. You know, yeah, I'll actually keep a promise. I'll give you guys training privileges when the ravioli video comes out. Oh, the Tupperware. Oh, the Tupperware, where's it going? Alright. We gotta add our stuff to it. I usually add this beforehand, but I kind of forgot. Okay, we're cooking. The good smelling stuff. Alright. Alright, we're balling. I figured that you kind of need a fork when doing tortellini because you gotta be able to stab it to see if it's actually soft. Oh, right, all the forks are here. We're gonna have to do the good old we're gonna eat one real quick. Yeah. That just needs like maybe one more minute. Those are just about done. Alright, nice. It's gonna take a hot minute to warm up the sauce. Oh, wait. Alright, once the video sauce pops out, just be quiet. Brought to you by Satisfactory Sounds. But yeah, that was quite nice. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to ask, how's your guys' days going? I always had that, but I almost forgot this video. How is your guys' video going? I swear, this blue pot's gonna be like come iconic or some crap. Down the line, I'm gonna be like a relatively popular YouTuber, and I'm gonna make stickers of like this blue pot. Like as like a merchandise product. Like everyone always has that. They have merchandise of like a random object that becomes popular for the channel. I swear to God, this pot's gonna be one of them. All right, time to do the thing. Strain. You guys don't get to watch it yet. Next video, guys, don't worry. Don't huff the noodle fumes. It's not good for you. Just don't do it. Trust me, guys, you don't want to huff the noodle fumes. I've lost loved ones from it. Maybe it wasn't noodle fumes. Can we eat some tortellini? You don't have to really strain them for that long. Easy claps. And now we just... I have like sauce that's been sitting in the refrigerator so it's cold. That's why it's going to take a bit. Actually, this might be all the sauce that I'll need. Oh, I got sauce on my fingies. Yeah, that's more than enough. Alright, nice. Eat the pasta, put it in the box, bring it here. I'll do something with it that I can't say on YouTube. Tortellini on my weenie pepperoni on the walls, cheesy on my beanie, and the salsa on my balls. It's a good song, trust me. Just trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Now we get to wait here because it's going to actually take a hot second for this to warm up. Like this is actually going to take a little bit. Which I hate. It's kind of annoying. Just give me a hot second. I need to get the iconic bowls out. Actually, I can put this sauce. Just put that right there. I gotta grab the cheese. Yo, big cheese moment, big cheese moment. Sounds like we're done. Like gloop sound. You just gotta trust me, it's good food. Ew. Alright, well, oh wait, I need the fork in shot. Tortellini. Alright, well, that's about it for today's video. I guess I'll be seeing you guys later where I, cook ravioli, and you guys actually be able to watch me strain the noodles. Isn't that insane? That's gonna be a big vid. For the time being, I guess I'll be seeing you guys later. Goodbye.